Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are now going to deal with another problem in additional mathematics. It's a past year paper question regarding remainder theorem, factor theorem, and solving cubic equation. Okay, so the problem says the remainder when 2x cubed plus 2x squared minus 13x plus 12 is divided by x plus a is 3 times the remainder when it is divided by x minus a. You have to recall that okay, you have to recall that if a polynomial p of x is divided divided by x minus c, then the remainder will be p of c. So whatever is that c over there, as long as it is in the form x minus c, will be evaluated inside the polynomial p of x. Okay, so it means if this is x plus c, then this will become negative c. For example, here, the remainder, if you divide this polynomial by x plus a, so what is the remainder? It is p of negative a, because it is x plus a. Here, it is x minus c. Okay, is means equals, so equal to what? Okay, 3 times, so 3 times the remainder when it is divided by x minus a, so it means the value that we are going to put in the polynomial is a, so p of a. Okay, so let's erase this part so that we don't get confused. Okay, next, so since we have this, let's plot in and evaluate and change the values of x with negative a. So it will become 2 times negative a cubed plus 2 times negative a squared minus 13 times negative a plus 12 is equal to 3. Okay, you put in a bracket. Okay, you'll have p of a. So it will become 2a cubed plus 2a squared minus 13a plus 12. Okay, it means I can simplify this and show number 1 that it will be like this because all of the x's now are changed with a. So I can have negative 2a cubed, because negative a cubed is negative a cubed times 2 is negative 2a cubed. Okay, negative a squared is a squared, so it will become 2a squared. Then positive 13a plus 12 is equal to 6a cubed plus 6a squared minus 39a plus 36. Okay, so basically, so that you can come up with this equation, you have to equate everything to 0. Okay, or move everything that is on the right side to the left side, so you will have now negative a cubed. Where did I get negative a cubed? Because negative 2a cubed and then minus 6a cubed is negative a cubed. Okay, 2a squared minus 6a squared, okay, is also negative 4a squared. Okay, next 13a plus 39, okay, we'll have 52a, so plus 52a. 12 minus 36 will have negative 24 is equal to 0. Okay, if you notice, I can divide the whole thing with negative 4. So if I divide the whole equation by negative 4, I'll come up with 2a cubed plus a squared minus 13a plus 6 is equal to 0. So you will end up writing the word shown. Okay? Because you have already the answers. 2a cubed plus a squared minus 13a plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay? That's the first question. How about how to solve the equation completely? Okay? Let's try to solve the equation completely. Okay. In solving cubic equations, okay, it's very important that you have a basic idea of your factor theorem. And when we say factor theorem, you have to find out a factor of the constant term that will make, if you change the numbers or the variable a, it will make it equal to 0. Okay? So it's very important also that you can factorize this expression first, then equate everything to 0. But you cannot do that if you don't have an idea about the factor theorem. Okay? But I will give you a basic tip on how to do that. Okay? Remember our calculator videos. Okay? I will put in mode, press 5. I'll put in 4 because I'm basically working with cube. Okay? And then I have 2, 1, negative 13, and 6. Okay? So I'll get the value. Okay? So I'll get the value negative 3. I'll just consider the first value, negative 3. So if x is equal to negative 3, one of the factors is, okay, one of the factors is x plus 3. But I'll put in p of negative 3. Okay, I'll give, I'm basically will be explaining how it will become 0. So you have to show this working so that you don't lose 1 mark. Okay, so it will be equals to 2 times negative 3 cubed plus negative 3 squared minus 13 times negative 3 plus 6. So even if you don't compute, okay, it will still basically equal to 0. And if it is p of negative 3, remember it is x minus c. So since it is x minus c, what is the c value there? It is negative 3. So x minus negative 3 will become x plus 3. This x plus 3, okay, is the number that you are going to use to divide with this. Okay, but remember I'm not using x anymore, I'm using a. So x plus, or a plus 3. Okay, so I have 2a cubed plus a squared minus 13a plus 6. So basically what I'm doing now is dividing this expression with a plus 3 because I saw that a plus 3 is one of the factors. Okay, so I have 2a cubed divided by a is a squared 2a squared. So I'll have 2a cubed plus 6a squared. Okay, so you have to subtract. You'll have a squared minus 6a squared will be negative 5a squared. Bring down negative 13a. Negative 5 divided negative 5a squared divided by a is negative 5a. Okay, negative 5a squared, negative 5a times a is negative 5a squared. Negative 5a times 3 is negative 15a. If you are going to subtract negative 13a minus negative 15a, you'll have 2a, then bring down plus 6. Okay, 2a divided by a is positive 2, 2a plus 6. You should be left with no, you should be having no remainder over there. So I'll have now a factor of this expression are a plus 3 times, okay, get this, 2a squared minus 5a plus 2 then equals to 0. Don't forget, we are solving the equation. Then, after that, you can already factorize the quadratic expression. How to factorize? I'll have 2a, I'll have a. Okay, what are the factors of 2? It's only 1 times 2. It's a matter of where do I put it? It's both minus and minus. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. Then 1 times 1 is 1. So 4, negative 4 plus 1 will have negative 5. Okay, equals to 0. Okay, then we'll have the three solutions. A plus 3 is equal to 0. 2a minus 1 is equal to 0. A minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so I'll have the first value of the A is negative 3. The second value of the A is positive 1/2. And the third value of the A is equal to positive 2. Okay, so I'll have 1 and 2 and 3. Now you can see on the screen the marking scheme of this paper, which is saying that you can get 1 mark if you substitute by either negative A or positive A, and you can get 1 mark if you can equate by substituting the A with the x with negative A on the left side of the equation equals 3 times 2 times substituting the value of x with A, and then giving the final step that shows it is 2a cubed plus a squared minus 13a plus 6 is equal to 0 will give another mark equivalent to 3 marks. And on the second question, a try of at least one of the roots. Okay, and then divide. You can do the long division or synthetic division, by the way, over here, by x minus the root. Okay, we'll come up with an answer. Okay, we'll have another mark, and then getting the 2 other solutions will give you another 2 marks. But there is a note here: if factors left as final answer, then you will lose the last 2 marks. So it must be written as a is equal to 2, a is equal to 1/2, a is equal to negative 3. Thank you for subscribing, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. By the way, shout out to Jasper Diaz for answering the question correctly. Thank you.